Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto E22i and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. Let's start with open the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And let me quickly remove it because I'm not really remove the photo. Okay, so just a quick customization, and right now all we have to do is to enter the settings icon. So let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the languages, and right here we've got the list of languages which are currently applied. So let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So for sure you will find the language you want to set. You can scroll, you can tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. It's up to you. After finding it, simply tap on it and choose the region. Right here you can choose the keyboard layouts. It's up to you. I prefer this one, so let me tick this option and untick this one. Let's tap on done to confirm, and as you can see the language has been immediately applied. First of all, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with two languages added. So after getting back, you can see that we've got two differences: the spacebar here, which is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using and the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So if you need, you can type in English and simply tap on this globe icon to change it into Urdu one. So this is how to add the language and how to use more than one language on the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because if you just want to have only one language, you can do it. So let's tap on the settings again, enter the languages, and in this section we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language you want to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, and after getting back, the spacebar is empty. We do not have the globe icon, which means that we've got only one keyboard layout applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.